have any cash? I only have a 5.
No. Hang on, let me check the glove compartment. Wait, you didn't pay already? It says you did. Wait, did he just buy us gas?
Looks like he did. See, I told you we couldn't leave him out there.
He hacked the gas pumps like he hacked your phone.
I couldn't even get my last dog to stay off the couch. Hey, look, buddy, you gotta stay down, all right? I think we should go.
It won't stop.
That's good, just take it off. Look at this. I love this.